clouds and let them be. Keep every story of your days a mystery. Hear the songs in the breeze. Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like thunder, steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down. Light a flame inside your heart. See every finish line before you reach the start. Raise your fist to the sky. Lightning and mountaintops are made for you and I. Morning comes when the nightfall goes. Don't turn back to the road below. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like thunder, steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like
This job jacket has been full of this project for close to a year. It has to be, because I remember doing it at the end of last winter. It's a Rubbernecker stamp and die set called Fishing 2 Clear Set. I thought, you know what? I am not making one more card until this is completed. I colored all the jacket and the bait hooks, and I got my card bases stamped inside, and now all I need to do is decorate the front and get these assembled, and I'm not exactly sure what I want to do on the front. I might use up some scraps. I pulled out this ribbon because I think this is a great texture, so I'm gonna have to figure out something I can do. Maybe do that and stamp right there or something. I don't know. This is tough because, again, I don't have a plan. I should really have a plan. Oh, that's not bad. I could do something like that and then maybe do some smushing of blue ink and then stamp. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna be using that ribbon anymore. These are just leftovers from another project and I kind of want to use them up. First, I'm gonna splash, or whatever the heck they call that. And in order to do that, I need a piece of acetate. It's a small piece, but it'll work for what I want to do. It'll maybe give me a little bit more action or control, I should say, control. This is Mermaid Lagoon in the Distress Oxides. Put that on my mat here. I'm really glad I made the investment in this. Holy cow, what a difference. Not struggling with that anymore, and I love it. Oh, this technique that I'm gonna do, since I kind of want the water to look like a splash of water, just take my piece of acetate, And while these are drying, I'm gonna sort through how I want to put these on there. So I've got my fishy stuff, or my whatever I've got going on, I got it going on. Maybe I'll put these on the inside because I really like the fishy one out. Then I could put these on like that or something on the inside. Yeah, like that or something. Because I don't like any more on the front. I really like the fish one kind of flopping around, you know? So we'll leave that. And I like to just go on the side here like this, just so it's even with that. You know, I better make sure that I did that on the right side. All right, so those are affixed. Best way to affix this on there, since that is kind of, I'm gonna say tape and glue. It's really easy to get too much glue with this because I forget how strong it is.
Ah, so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. You're everything to me. You are so beautiful to me.
Who are you singing to, Sassy?
The fish. If I sing to the fish will come. I think I heard that on a movie once.
You never heard that in a movie.
Yeah, if you fish, they will come. Or was it, if you fish, he will come? You know, those Mandela effects. You'll never know the truth, will you?
What? I'm gonna do 2 of those and 1 of these and 1 of these. Okay, now we've got that situated. Take out my VersaFine. There, I wonder, maybe I put it right here? Right here? This always gets me, you know? Like, where do I put it? Right there? Right here? Oh, well, I'm doing it anyway. Just holding it down to make sure it saturates the paper so I have the best impression I can get. I did it. That's pretty decent.
Looks a little crooked.
That's cute. I was really interested in using all the sentiments on this one because I think that they had really great sentiments on this set. So I actually used every single one of these sentiments to make these 4 cards. And now that we've got those sentiments on the front and I think that they're dry enough, I'm gonna open this up and use the remaining pieces. I like that. I'm gonna do that. You always put weight on a piece that's been glued because the paper will curl once it gets saturated with the wetness of the glue, and that is just the way paper is. You can't avoid it. If you want to avoid any type of curling of your paper, use tape. I'm kind of glad I didn't use them on the front though because I'm trying to teach myself restraint. It's very hard. I'm not the best designer type of person. I always think more is more and less is less. I do understand though that less is more sometimes. I'm trying to teach myself that. For as long as I put this thing off, I can't believe the results of these cards because I adore them. I think they're so cute. Hopefully you do too. I have no idea if I have done too little, but in my opinion, I think it's just right. Happy birthday to a real cool guy.
Oh, that's so cute.
Fishing isn't a matter of life or death, it's more important. Good things come to those who bait. I fell for you, hook, line, and sinker. Good things come to those who bait. That's it, everybody. I am so excited that these are complete. I can check one more project off my list, and one more job jacket is empty. Thanks so much for tagging along. I'm so happy you're here. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Love you guts. Bye! Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled